Okay, so I'm going to do this question here, and then you're going to try this one here. I'm going to do this question, and you're going to try this question here. All right, so question 7a. I've got 2x minus 1 divided by x plus 3 equals 9. The first thing I'm going to do is I look at my denominator on the left-hand side, and it has two terms in it, x plus 3. And I'm going to take that, and I'm going to multiply it by the 9. I'm going to put it in a bracket. I'm going to put it in a bracket. So I multiply the 9 by the x and the 3 together. So 2x minus 1, I'm bringing it down and taking the 9, multiplying it by x plus 3. Now the next thing I need to do is just focus on the right-hand side of the equation and just simplify that part. So if I simplify that part, I'm going to end up with 2x minus 1 equals 9x plus 27. The next thing I am going to do is get all the x values onto one side and get all the numbers onto the other side. And I'm going to choose a side. Because 9x is greater on this side of the equation, I'm going to move all my x's onto the right-hand side of my equation. So when I move 2x this side, it's going to become minus 2x. Okay? Keeping the equal sign there and keeping, well, the 2x, now that it's moved, will disappear from the side. That means I'm going to move all the numbers onto this side, and I'm going to move 27 over here. It's going to become minus 27. All right? So I've got minus 27 now on the left-hand side, and I've got minus 2x on the right-hand side. I have not moved the 9x, so I'm going to just write it there, and I haven't moved the negative 1, so I'm just going to write that there as well. And we can see now they're matching on both sides. Now I can simplify the left-hand side. Negative 27 minus 1 is negative 28. 9x minus 2x is 7x. And so I divide by 7 on both sides, and I get x equals to negative 4 for this one. So try the second part now. Try B. See if you can work out question B the same way I did. Remember the steps here is step 1 is to cross multiply. Step 2, multiply the bracket. Multiply out the bracket. Step 3, change sides, change signs. Step 4, simplify both sides. And step 5, divide both sides. All right, and that's the steps we can follow. Try that. All right, let's go through it. So for this one here, the first step we're going to do is multiply both sides. Cross multiply. That's going to bring the 5x minus 24 down. That's going to become 3x minus 4. Now step 2, we're going to multiply the bracket. Keep the left-hand side the same. That'll become 3x minus 12. Step 3, we're going to move things around, get x onto one side. Because 5 is more on the left-hand side, I'm going to move 3 over and make it negative 3x. And because negative 24 is a number, I'm going to move it onto the right-hand side, become positive 24. 3x is now there, it's not here anymore. And the 24 is there now, it's not here anymore. So they've kind of swapped sides. Now that I have that, I've got 2x. And I'm now simplifying. And 24 minus 12 is 12. Divide now, both sides. 2. And so x equals to 6 for this.